Questions and Answers with Rich Simmons, a member of Mirror Trading International.
Hi, I'm Rich Simmons, a member of Mirror Trading International. I joined the company in April 2019 and I've decided to use this opportunity to build a business. Here are some of the questions I often get asked.
Why Mirror Trading International?
Mirror Trading International offers you one of the best opportunities I've seen to grow your Bitcoin.
Why Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is one of the strongest currencies in the world. It cannot be manipulated. There'll only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, and you can't print more of it.
How does Mirror Trading International grow Bitcoin?
Your Bitcoin does not stay with Mirror Trading International. It's sent to the trading pool, and that trading pool is with the brokers. The trading is then done on the Forex markets using Bitcoin.
How is the trading done?
Mirror Trading International has a license for sophisticated software and performs the trades.
What about risk?
Mirror Trading International is a real business, so there's always risks. But the risks are mitigated by using the software, which takes the emotion out of the system, exposes small amounts of your capital, and scalps quickly.
Can the live trading be viewed on the MetaTrader platform?
In terms of the software license agreement, MTI members are not allowed to have their own trading accounts. To protect the intellectual property of the software provider, the license restricts live trades from being shown to MTI members to prevent them from copying the trades and selling the trades or signals.
How are results communicated with members?
Members receive statements of the trading results daily, which is sent to their email as well as in their back office.
Can I withdraw my Bitcoin at any time?
Yes, you can, and MTI pays within 48 hours.
Why 48 hours? Surely Bitcoin payments are instantaneous.
Remember that your Bitcoin is in trade and it's working for you. The process is as follows. At the end of the trading day, when the statement run is done, the request for the withdrawal is done with the brokers and they process your payment.
What does a package cost in Mirror Trading International?
This is what sets Mirror Trading International apart from the rest. There are no packages. You can have an amount in the system that you're comfortable with, and as long as you have a balance, the system will continue to trade for you. There are no fees, there are no subscriptions, or any other admin fees charged to you.
Are there any withdrawal fees?
No, there are no withdrawal fees.
If there are no fees, how does the Mirror Trading International company make money?
The total trading bonuses for the day are divided as follows. 40% to the member, 30% to the trading system, 10% for the MTI company, and that's to cover things like the website, support, and other admin costs, and then 20% is to the binary profit sharing bonuses.
How do you know Mirror Trading International is not a scheme?
Schemes are predictable, which makes them attractive to the average person. Mirror Trading International is unpredictable, and only if there are positive trading results can there be bonuses.
Have the results been favorable?
Yes, since the implementation of the trading software, the results have been favorable every day.
Mirror Trading International is a trading and networking company. Does this mean I have to recruit to earn?
No, the idea of having to recruit is totally wrong. If Mirror Trading International never got another member, the trading system would still continue, the profits would be made, and members would receive their bonuses.
Why is there a networking component to the company?
I'm not a greedy person, and when I find something good and I feel others can benefit from that, I'd like to share that with them. This is where networking kicks in, and I'd like to help people become financially free.
Rich, are you happy with the results you are getting from Mirror Trading International?
Yes, I'm extremely happy with the results, and I can see myself growing with this company from strength to strength.
Has Mirror Trading International changed your life?
Most certainly. When I joined, one of my big contracts had just come to an abrupt end, and I was cash strapped. I only had $80 to start with, and I worked my way up from there. Today, I can pay all my monthly expenses, and I still have money over at the end of the month.
Do you know the CEO and founder, Johan Steinberg?
Just to remind everyone, I'm a member like everyone else. I have met Johan Steinberg on numerous occasions. He lives about 4 hours away from me in Polokwane, South Africa, And what I like most about Johan is his desire to help people and see their lives changed.
You mentioned referral bonuses earlier. How do they work?
You receive a referral bonus when you introduce a new member into the company. This is 10% of whatever they put into the trading pool, and should they put in more, you'll receive 10% of the difference as well.
I have heard that the binary bonus is different from any other company. How so?
Yes, the Mirror Trading International binary bonus is rather unique. It is shared amongst all the binary qualified members, and it is paid weekly.
How does a person become binary qualified?
To become binary qualified, you need at least $200 in the trading pool, and you need to have introduced 2 members, one on the left and one on the right-hand side of your business.
The binary is paid weekly, and for how long?
All bonuses depend on the trading system. If there's no positive results, there can be no bonuses. With positive results, binary bonuses are paid to binary qualified members and will continue to pay weekly.
Does this mean that through the binary bonuses, you could actually earn more than what is in your weakest leg?
Yes, it is possible that you can earn more than the value of your weaker leg in about a year and a half. The trading provides the bonuses, and that's what makes MTI 100% sustainable.
What advice would you have for someone who wants to use the MTI opportunity to build a future for themselves?
Firstly, be honest. One of the first things people will ask you is, have you made a withdrawal? So make a withdrawal so that you're able to share the experience with other people. Secondly, be consistent. People are watching you. I've had people watch me for a few weeks before they've joined the business. Thirdly, use all the channels that are at your disposal. Try to be different. Post things that you're passionate about and not what other people are posting.
What is your vision with the company going forward?
I would like to have leaders all over the world that I share my experience with and support. It's vital that I have done things that I suggest to my team. I would never expect people to do something I have not done or I myself have achieved. It's about authentic leadership, and I look forward to working with people who have a real desire for success.
Should you have any further questions, please contact your team leader.